It's easy to find yourself yearning for the outdoors when you're stuck inside working from home, particularly during the sunny summer months. However, taking your laptop outside isn't always the most practical option, with screen glare often getting in the way. This homemade laptop hood has been designed with this in mind, giving you a simple solution so you can work in the warmth and enjoy the weather while it's here. In this video, Rudy, a DIY enthusiast, is going to show you how to build a homemade laptop hood. The materials for this project are all available from Wickes with the exception of the cardboard, and will take a DIYer with moderate skill approximately half a day to build. Look out for this icon during the video for our DIY top tips. Find the complete tools and materials at the end of this video, or visit the Ideas and Advice Hub at wickes.co.uk for a step-by-step guide and more inspiration. This project is about working with what you've got, so we used an offcut of MDF sheet as a cutting surface. Whether you buy it or repurpose a box from an old delivery, you'll need some reasonably strong and rigid cardboard. Plastic angle strips can be bought specifically for this job, but it's always handy to have in your shed, garage or workshop. You'll also need double-sided tape, a sharp pencil, a metal ruler and a Stanley knife with new blades. A sharp blade is essential for getting a nice clean cut. Make sure to tidy and organise your workspace before you get started. Mark the length of your laptop screen on the plastic angle strip before placing the strip towards you on the top of the screen. This lets you visualise and measure out how deep you want the overhang of the screen shade to be. When it comes to cutting your plastic angle strip, chop saw will give you the neatest cut. When cutting fragile materials with a chop saw, place a piece of timber on the bed to provide some additional support. Hold your plastic angle strip firmly in place and cut it to size. Then use your cut piece to mark and cut another identical strip. Repeat the process for the two other sizes so that you've got 3 identical pairs. Be sure to remove shavings from your workbench and keep your space clear as you go. Place your cardboard on your MDF cutting surface. Measure your 3 plastic angle strips against your cardboard sheet and mark the size of your end panels. Using your ruler, outline your first panel on the cardboard. Cut out your panel using your Stanley knife and ruler before using the first panel to outline and cut your second one. Once you've finished your cutting, make sure to tidy up your workspace again. Wipe all of your plastic strips to ensure that they're dust-free. The tape works best on smooth surfaces, and any particles that get in the way can affect the adhesion. Neatly apply your double-sided tape over the flat edge of your plastic angle strips, placing it in the corner before cutting around it precisely. Lay all of your parts out and get them organised to make assembly simpler. Remove your double-sided tape layer and place the edge of the cardboard panel so that it slots into the edge of the plastic strip. Check how the panels fit either side against your laptop. Then use the smaller L-shaped strip to measure the width and work out the width of the top panel. Don't forget to take into account the size of the bezels around your screen. You might need to adjust for these borders to avoid accidentally covering the edges of your screen. Mark the measurements for your top panel on your cardboard and cut it out using your ruler and Stanley knife. Scoring the blade along the double-sided tape can prevent the tape covering from getting stuck underneath the existing cardboard. Assemble your panels to form your hood. Place your laptop screen in place, then peel the tape off your inner L-shaped bracket and affix the screen. Adhere it to the inside of the side panel to create a groove that the screen can sit in. You might find it easier to lay your laptop down flat. It allows you to get a better grip when placing the hood on top. Once it's built, you can let your creativity flourish and add some decorative touches. Applying matte black spray paint on both sides gives it a professional and practical look. Removing the hood is just as easy as attaching it, so you can simply take it off when it's time to come indoors and have it ready for the next sunny day. Now you're ready to get to work in the garden and enjoy the outdoors while you use your laptop.